And hello guys, ulit tayo mag-react mo naman tayo sa mga videos natin. Kaya wait lang. Ano yun? So wait lang guys, wait lang kukuhain. Kasi may nahulog dito. Yan. Okay na yan. Now, we need to get our like this. We need to do that. So, ano yan? Saan ko yan? Ay, because I need it. I don't know why. Oo. Pero, okay lang. Ay, malapit na. Yo, okay. Okay, guys. Okay, ready na tayo. React na tayo. Okay, guys, react na tayo. React tayo. Sa videos natin, ginagamit ko ang cellphone ng nanay ko. Yes.
Cellphone ng nanay mo?
Kaya mag-react tayo. Okay, react tayo. React. Yan. Okay, guys. Thank you for 128 subscribers.
128K subscriber. Sabi mo K.
K, yeah, that's K. It's K.
It's K.
128K subscribers. Thank you, guys. Let's go. React na tayo sa reaction ng reaction ng reaction ng reaction ng reaction ng reaction ng
What's that?
Bago
feeling?
mag-react na tayo, we're done now. React tayo sa video ko. Parang kahapon na ginawa ko yung bagong place na ano ko. Ayun si Snorlax yun, guys. Hindi na Snorlax. 28 subscribers na pala ako. Baby, yung baby picture. Hindi na yung Snorlax.
So,
thank you sa lahat. Kinalitan ko eh. Ano yun? Kaya dito tayo sa red. Part 2 ng react sa mga videos. Okay. Ba't na nga yung video? Nakaganito ako. Ano yun? Talaga kamukha talaga ka si Misha Musfita. Pag si Misha Musfita nag-watch na ito, edi kilala niya ako. So I'm reacting to a video. Alam ko, reacting to a video. Reacting to a video. Ay, dami. Guys, today nag-use lang ako ng ganyan. Yes. Kaya rate ko lahat ng mga subscribers ko. Si Bobby Studios. Thank you sa'yo, Bobby Studios, at more. Yes. Si Bobby Studios yung leader, yung nag-subscribe sa akin. Siya yung leader. Pag nag-subscribe kayo and like. Pero, parang okay ko lang. Ewan nga. Nga, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Tayo dyan. Dyan ako sa room ng mga tita ko. Oo nga! Alam ko. Andito yun guys, oh. Andito. Hey. Sorry, matagal lang ang light. Ito yun, oh. Ayan ang room. Yung nag-video ako dyan. Tama. Boy. Yun nga yun. Dun nga. Nga?
Sino nag-react? Reacting?
Ako.
Now is reacting, baby. Why you asking?
Sino ba yung nagpo-4 views? Oo, si Grandpa. Anong views ba to?
Okay, nasira mo?
No. 2, 3 views ay. Wow. Yung sa akin nakasipit dun eh. Nakasipit. Dito yun eh. Andito. Yahan.
Alam ko sa akin kami ni Dijon, Eugene at Moy, si Chibong Latabo. Grabe! Sabi namin, friend group.
Sino yan, baby? Ikaw din?
Oh.
You're talking to yourself?
Picture.
Papa is becoming crazy.
1, 2, 3. Guys, send that set. Ako sunod ko.
Send na ba eh?
That's Abby?
Okay. Mag-react tayo ulit. Wow! Wow! Mag-react tayo sa react. Ay. React tayo sa part 2. React naman. Yan yung react ko dyan eh. Yan. Kaya tingnan natin.
Hey guys, welcome to Andre. Guys, welcome to Andre Reacts videos. Kaya
Alam mo nila.
React ka ng react na?
Sa mga videos ko ngayon, part 2 na.
Ay, childhood na new watch ko guys. So, yan.
Video before,
Yan.
like 2026 birthday, tama ka po, that was 2026. But this is,
Sorry, no. Ba't
ay sorry guys, kakat ko lang yung video na yun. Nalang,
Sumoy si baby.
ano yun? Yung Toto? Toto? Part 3 ba challenge?
it's really part 4.
Mali ako, mali ka.
Girls.
Mali ka.
Andre, ano?
Zero.
What? That's Mara.
Mali.
And this is Poopy. Spoopy. Yes. And
Wala
I'm
nga sila
gonna.
na yun.
Where is my treat?
Sorry.
Okay, this is all the treats that I have that I showed you last year.
Ang galing talaga ito.
Oh, dahil masisi na yan.
It's not last year.
They're,
So guys,
malaki na sila,
just
kaya na
like
sila. Ay, dati pa yan. Dati pa ito na yun natin.
Did you know that the film?
Yan, kaya na.
Guys, I
Si
don't know why
Knuckles.
it's raining my gun. Look at this right now.
Knuckles lang. Tingnan ko yung teeth ko.
Hey yo, look at this. There's
Wait lang,
water.
tingnan ko sa mirror ko, guys.
There's water there. Won't get out. You can never get them out.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's play. Let's play the monster. You want to be the monster next? Want to be the monster? I don't know that monster game. Tulala lang ako.
To be the next
I want
monster.
to be
you don't
monster.
want-
Who's gonna play? No. Who's gonna be the
Si
monster?
90.
I don't want to
You
be
want
the
to be...
monster. Me too. No. My name is Cutie. My name is.
May see that, may see
My
that.
name is
I want
the
to see.
Protopical.
Baby, I want to
I
see.
mean the video.
Baby, I
the
want to
vlog.
see.
The evil vlogger.
I want
I mean
to
the vlogger. But then I'm a friend. What's a muso mean?
Okay.
Muso mean.
Okay, guys.
It's a cat. Muso mean. Okay, we're gonna. Oh no,
Okay.
that's the
Ay,
one.
ayun.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I think you need to be the monster.
Who's that?
I thought it was a bird. A bird?
A bird.
What he said? What she said? Sabi daw you're bad. Sabi daw bad ka daw. I'm not bad. I'm not bad too. Yes, just like bad.
Nakausap mo?
Okay, fine. I know.
Chloe?
I said,
This,
okay.
what the?
Ah, is that Chloe?
Ano ba yan? Is that the clay that you want? It's the worm clay.
Oh, I have a clay now. Where's the clay?
Mama was playing
Oh,
with
there.
the clay. That's the worm clay right now. She's a worm. I mean,
The clay just over there.
Now she's turning to
My
grow
clay.
that thing. That.
I don't know why my clay did turn to this. I don't know why my clay became like that.
Chloe or Mara.
Who will win?
Let's
Yo,
pick
lago.
them.
Ay, thank you pa. I love you.
Let's pick it down.
Time's
Ito
up.
pang papa. Ito pang pampahabang
Cheat
buhay
it, cheat
mo.
it, cheat. Okay.
Hmm?
I think the longest one is Chloe. Yay! This. I'm the longest.
Kape.
Ito kasi. Wait, litan mo eh.
Bakit ang galang nanin mo? Akala ko lang hanggang
Hindi, 5 hanggang 5:45 yata. Hanggang 5:30
It's
pa.
another baby.
Okay, nice.
Can you go name this?
Pao. Thank you.
Yeah.
2:45 ang start mo.
Hey.
Alas 3
Hanggang
Okay,
5:45 yata.
let's see. Who's the funniest poopy? Let's make the poop. Okay, let's video them again.
What the? Ba't ganito
Hey,
na?
you're not
Wait, ba't ganito na?
not yet poop. Ew. Poop is not cute. Hindi pretend lang. Poop is not cute. Okay. Yeah, Chloe's right. Poop is not cute.
Poop is not cute.
During
So, hindi.
elementary, though,
Hindi.
I thought poop was cute.
Tama yun.
Hey, look at this.
Ang best.
I think the funniest is them. You're both. There's another car there. Another poop.
Wait lang, guys.
Why?
Another diarrhea. Okay. Okay, our other. Okay.
Okay.
Hindi ka na nag-aaral?
No, first we're gonna do
Sabi
diarrhea. Okay, it's
Clear.
gonna make something funny.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Make something funny, Chad.
Okay. To the play.
Don't copy it. Done. A stinky food. Stinky food. Yes, mine's a stinky food. Let's see Mara's. With the names. Let's see Chloe. Look at mine. Star. Well, Chloe has 9 stars.
I've always argued that this middle layer
It's fruits. No.
and ingredients and sauces, this layer
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. I can see that like this. Yes, done. Okay, let's see.
But the problem
Let's
is,
see who's the
in
funniest.
Singapore,
No, I said fruit.
still, it's never as good.
Okay, let's see who's the funniest. Okay, the funny boat is all you. You have 10 star and another 10 star. I mean, you have infinite star, 100 star.
Usually we have 2 stars in each stall.
Yay!
One
Ako
is
infinite.
the food,
Yeah, you know. Yay! That's okay.
It's kind of look
Okay.
like a pancake over there. Parang it's pancake daw.
Okay, our next challenge is hide and seek.
to check the quality of the food and the preparation of the food.
Just, I mean, you need to like, in real life, you need to guys hide while Mara is the seeker. Okay? The challenge starts now. Everybody get out of your place.
Yan,
We're gonna
malinis
play
yata
hide and
ako.
seek.
Vegetables.
You're the seeker, okay?
Pakinggan mo siya.
What's,
Ano, ibang...
I mean, you're the seeker, okay?
Ano ba yun?
No, just be seeker and Mara
Parang may
wants to be the
nanonood siya.
hide.
Malinis to.
Okay, go. Let's
Chef
have fun.
ata yan eh. Malinis
Malinis siya,
yan.
may
Chef
hawak
yung bawal
siya.
sa kanila. Ano niya, computation niya. Apak. Ang ganda, malinis ah. Kunin sila dyan.
I find you.
Kahit hindi ako kaya pag Indian.
No, I'm not in the game.
Indian ba yung madumi, Jo?
Go, Papa.
Indian.
Yeah.
Pag Indian po tayo,
Mama, you're not.
baboy.
There's no
Yan, hindi.
close it. You just need to hide. No, close it. Okay, round 2. We need to hide some real places, Mara, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Hide again. Go.
It's ripping off, guys. It's ripping off. It's ripping off, guys. I don't know why it's ripping off.
Okay, just go. Let's go. Go. Close your eyes again. Hide here, hide. Come on. I have a place to hide.
There you are. I'll put it there. Lagay na. Oh, lagay na.
This is far. Hey. Don't jump in
Okay, it's good now. This
Ewan ko sa'yo, wala. Pakialam.
Okay, bye-bye guys.